Hello and welcome to another video with Hot Tech Tip and hottechtips.com. Today we're going to have a fun and educational video. We're going to show how to modify the data points in a chart. So here I have some information on my spreadsheet. Each month last year and how many Grumpy Cat videos I watched on YouTube. So I want to convert this to a chart. So you simply highlight all of the data, including the month, including the top line. This will be considered the legends for each of the different columns, the headers for them. Okay, then we simply go over here to Insert. These are our charts, and we're going to choose a column chart. If we click on the down arrow, and we have 2D columns and 3D column charts, and we preview it down below. So we're going to choose the first one, and then it simply makes that chart for us. Let's expand this out so it will show up a little better. All right, so here's our chart. Now to modify the chart, data points, we can click on a data point and you see it highlights all of them. And then format the data series. So what we want to do is look at the fill options. The fill of the data series. So you can have no fill, and that leaves the borders intact. Solid fill, and you can choose your color. Gradient fill, and these presets can have a blending effect of a linear type, radial. We can choose different colors for those effects. If we don't want blue, we can choose something else to blend different colors. See how this moves it from the top to the bottom. All right, or we can have a picture. We can have pattern, automatic. Well, let's go to picture, because here we're talking about Grumpy Cats. So one of the things you can do is you can put a picture instead of a bar, and that picture could be something that makes it relevant to your chart. Say, for instance, you were talking about the number of houses you owned, or the houses you bought if you were a real estate investor, or how much money you had invested. You could have these bars be replaced by symbols like a house or a dollar sign or something like that. So let's go to picture, and then we're going to choose a picture from a file. Now I happen to have one here on my documents called Grumpy Cat with a white background. That will look real nice. Now, it inserted that, but is that really what we want? It stretched it all the way to from the depending on how many units it was. So we could stack them, or we could stack them in scale with 1 unit equaling 1 picture. So now we have little Grumpy Cats. So in order to make them a little bigger, let's go back and just show the first 6 months of watching. So I'm going to right click again, and I want to change I want to select my data. So instead of having the 12 months, I'll have just the first 6 months. So I will turn off the last 6 months of the year. Click OK. And now the pictures are a little bit bigger and you can see the cats, the grumpy cats. So that's a quick, easy way that you can add pictures to your graphs to make them a little more fun, make them a little more explanatory. And is this really the number of Grumpy Cat videos I watched each month in 2015? Well, I'll leave that for you to decide. Although I do spend a lot of time on the internet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like. Leave a comment. And I appreciate it. Thank you very much.